What the heck's taking so long? I've been waiting here for like an hour just trying to get through. I got important stuff to do. What's going on with you guys? Why aren't you doing your job?
Well, sir, we're trying to make sure everybody that comes on base is safe and we're not letting anybody on that shouldn't be here on base. Do you have your CAC on you?
Yeah, of course. Hey, what's taking so long? Let's go.
Sir, could you just roll your window down?
I'm right. Oh my God.
Is there a reason you don't have your CAC on you?
What do you mean? The driver's license doesn't work? I'm in panties.
I know that every Marine has a CAC, so that needs to be on you at all times.
Oh my gosh. By the way, can you tell me how to get to the commissary?
Yeah, the commissary.
Yeah, hold up. Someone's calling me. One sec. Yeah, hello? No, I'm at the gate. They're taking forever. What do you expect? All right, bye.
All right, sir. Well, still, this is just your driver's license. I do need your CAC so I can scan it.
All right, well, I guess it's in the trunk. Hold up. Let me go get it.
All right, sir, just stay in your car. I'm just gonna have you pull all the way over to the right and that little divot over there.
Okay.
Also, sir, go ahead and put your seatbelt on.
Oh, I gotta wear a seatbelt now too. You gotta freaking kidding me, man. This is ridiculous. I don't even know who I am. Oh my God. We're here with Corporal Klingler today to discuss better ways to be more efficient when going through the gate. Corporal, what you got for us?
So when you're coming up to the gate, have your IDs ready for us, have your music turned down, your windows down, and also just remember to be aware of the Marines that are staged at different places as they're trying to direct drivers to the gate. Please be patient with the waits. We're doing our best, and that's basically it.
Thanks for watching. Have some patience, Marine Corps Base Quantico. We're getting through it together.